The Material Girl said it best. We do live in a material world. But are Singaporean women materialistic?
We are in a materialistic world, so everyone is actually the same
Would you say you're materialistic?
to a certain extent.
I feel that Singaporean girls are more materialistic in a way because it's like everything must be branded from head to toe. There isn't confidence to go out on the streets. I myself is like that lah. That's why lah.
Yeah, money is very important. Because no money, you cannot survive. Beauty has a price.
A material world.
They still look out for the 5 C's in life. Cars, condos, credits and stuff like that. So they are materialistic. They tend to go for more materialistic men as well.
Singaporean women now are getting more materialistic. But to say the least, I think the Singaporean guys are getting more really materialistic also at the same time. Because of influence, the branded goods that if they can afford it, they will go for branded stuff.
Singaporeans on the whole, both men and women are relatively materialistic.
Singaporean women are more materialistic, obviously, because they are always going shopping and stuff.
I think women tend to buy more branded stuff and stuff like that. Yeah, they are. Men just tend to go for simple fashion and stuff like that. Yeah.
I see some of my friends, they are like very concerned about their image, and they go to branded stores and all that. So if that's what that's what they think, then But I also have friends that shop at Metro and all that, so they don't really care about their where they're shopping and all that.
Women have to be materialistic. Example, they are looking for men who can support them, so they have to have materials to show that, I have a good husband, to show other people they have a good husband. So you cannot change them. They are this way. They like things to show off themselves, because in this stressful world, the only thing that can prove that they're happy is through all this material stuff.
I guess in today's context, more Singaporean men are becoming more materialistic as well as, metrosexual as well.
Wait a minute. Did we hear that right?
More Singaporean men are becoming more materialistic.
We see a lot of men in branded goods more and more. And so some of them are more conscious nowadays.
Forget the Material Girl. It looks like we've got a new contender. In our next clip, we'll be checking out the Material Guy.